In the battle against bird mites in our homes, selecting the ideal product is crucial for a mite-free environment. Let's explore the 5 top solutions that promise to eliminate these pesky intruders effectively. First, we have Diatomaceous Earth. This natural, non-toxic powder dehydrates and kills mites upon contact. Just sprinkle it in affected areas for a safe and effective treatment. Replacing our earlier mentions, salt emerges as a surprisingly effective deterrent against bird mites. By creating a barrier with fine salt around entry points, you can dehydrate and kill these mites. Similar to the action of diatomaceous earth, essential oils, such as neem and tea tree, also make our list with their potent scent and insecticidal properties. They are perfect for those seeking a natural approach. Mix with water and spray around your home to ward off mites. Sulfur powder is next. Known for its natural insecticide properties, sulfur can be applied to infested areas to repel and kill bird mites. However, use it cautiously as it can irritate the skin and respiratory system. Lastly, boric acid stands out as another safe yet effective method for eradicating mites. Acting as a stomach poison for the mites, it's ideal for sprinkling in hard-to-reach areas to ensure your home remains mite-free. Each of these products offers a unique method to combat bird mites, allowing you to choose one that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. Protect your home and live comfortably without the